Hello guys, good evening to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, April 22 to 24, 2024. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation Typhoon Preparedness Center in partnership with Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested to know more about the product of BPI, just click on the link up here. Or if you're viewing via Facebook, just go to the description of this video and click on the BPI link for more details. And also, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Negacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordados. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat that we created early this afternoon, and we have still the warm easterlies, but alongside with these winds we have an increasing cloudiness that are producing thunderstorms across Visayas, particularly summer and later. And some of these thunderstorms are already bringing some rainfall in some parts of Sorsogon and Albay. As the weather station, as observed by our weather station, there are some rainfall already early this afternoon and late in the morning. And so far, we don't have any developing LPs or tropical cyclone outside of PAR for the next 5 to 10 days. It's still all clear except for this localized thunderstorms that is expected to persist for the next 24 to 48 hours. And during, usually in the afternoon or evening, there might be some thunderstorms or rain showers in some parts of the Bicol regions are expect. And we hope and pray that this rainfall will dump across parts of the Bicol region to lessen this high heat index. Okay, and the rest of the archipelago will remain hot, dry, clear blue skies without any rain. So don't forget to drink lots of fluids or low water to fight this extreme heat that we are experiencing right now. Up here over Japan, southern China, we have a developing frontal system known as a Mayo front or stationary front. And this is a springtime weather system before the onset of the southwest monsoon. This is a common feature in the Western Pacific, particularly Japan and southern China. So there will be lots of thunderstorms here. So take all necessary precautions up there. And as we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com, this is the satellite loop beginning 5 p.m. until 11 this evening. You can clearly see here some small patches of thunderstorms over Zamboanga Peninsula developing and some areas of Lanao provinces. And also in some parts of eastern Visayas, especially this evening, there are some dissipating thunderstorms here over the Bicol region. There's no more thunderstorm during the evening, so by tomorrow afternoon we expect another round of thunderstorm that could affect some portions of the Bicol region. Now here's the highest heat index observed in Naga City as of Monday, April 22. And the highest so far is still Barangay Liboton at 46.8 at 2:27 p.m. this afternoon. And this is a drop of 0.3 degrees centigrade from a high of 47.1 yesterday, Sunday. But it's now moving slightly down. But when you rounded off this temperature, it's still a 47 degree heat index. Okay, and the two highest heat index forecast today, okay, Meanwhile, the forecast for the next 2 days from the Pag-asa Agromet Station in Sibisua, Pili, Camarines Sur. By tomorrow, Tuesday, April 23, we expect 44 degrees Celsius of heat index, while on Wednesday, it will be around 43. Still more than 40 degrees, so don't forget to avoid going out of the house during noontime and early afternoon. Now, here's the latest automated weather station from Typhoon2000. This is the highest heat index and temperature observation for today, Monday, April 22. As you can see, the highest is Calabanga, Camarines Sur at 46.9 heat index around 1:29 p.m. this afternoon, and the temperature is around 36.1 around 1:04 p.m. Followed by Liboton at 46.8, San Felipe 45.9, Mabulu 45.8, Concepcion Grande and Concepcion Pequeña at 45.7 and 45.6 respectively. Vera Catanduanes is 43.9, Sangay Camarines Sur 43.1, Legazpi Albay 42.6, although they have some rain showers or thunderstorm in the around noontime. And the 10th station, which is the lowest so far, is Sorsogon City, Sorsogon, with a high of 41.4 at 9 a.m. because around 10 to 12 there are some rain showers and thunderstorms that occurred over Sorsogon City, and the highest temperature is only up to 30.9 around 9:09 a.m. and starting to diminish because of the rainfall or thunderstorm that passed over Sorsogon. Okay, and as for our plotting, this is the plotting from our weather station in San Felipe, and so far it's been consistent for the past 3 days. It's around 45.7, 45.7 yesterday, Saturday 45.7, still 45.7 yesterday, and today it's 45.9, so it's moving up, but let's hope the thunderstorm tomorrow will help decrease the heat index. But again, these are forecasts that is meant to that we hope will happen. Okay, it depends on where the thunderstorm will develop for the next 2 days. Okay, usually around noontime, early afternoon, so watch out for that. And for the Pag-asa highest heat index for today, April 22, as of 5 p.m. So far, areas like Manila has recorded 42 degrees, 43 over Dagupan, 43 over Apari, Cagayan. Nueva Ecija, 43, 42 over Aurora. Okay, Calabarzon, 43 over Sangli Point, Cavite, 42 over Tanawan, Batangas, 42 over Infanta, Quezon, while over Mimaropa, 43 in Coron, Palawan, 43 over San Jose, Occidental Mindoro, and the highest so far is over Puerto Princesa City, Palawan, 46 degrees, as well as Aborlan, Palawan at 45 degrees Celsius. Here in the Bicol region, we have over the Pag-asa Diet Station at 42 degrees, 40 over Legazpi City, Albay, 45 over Virac, and 43 degrees along Masbate City. 38 degrees at Huban, Sorsogon, 44 degrees over Sibisua, Pili in Camarines Sur. And for the next 2 days, here's the forecast. It shows that it will still remain around 45 or 40, no, it's only 42 and 43, 44 in most parts of the Bicol region. And what else? Just visit the website of Pag-asa. Go to the heat index page. We have here another higher temperature along Dipolog in Zamboanga del Norte at 44, and Zamboanga City at 45 degrees. Okay, Davao City 42, Cotabato City at 42, as well as over Butuan 42 degrees centigrade. So that's the heat index report from Pagasa. So we are still dealing with this high heat index. For the wind and pressure forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com, for the next 3 days until Thursday. So we expect light easterly wind flow to prevail across the eastern sections of the country until Thursday. Okay. And then as for the rain forecast, by tomorrow, Tuesday, we expect a probability of a rain showers or thunderstorms across the Bicol region, okay, or some parts of the Bicol region, since this will be isolated, and also over the Visayas. It will be more frequent over Zamboanga Peninsula and Sorsogon. And Tuesday, that's Tuesday, okay? So that's Tuesday, and as we move into Wednesday afternoon, another round of possibility of thunderstorms in some parts of the Bicol region, particularly Camarines Sur, based on the model output from Europe, based on the European model output, and it will be much heavier over Sorsogon and southern portions of Davao region. That will be on Wednesday. By Thursday noontime and early afternoon, we expect another round of thunderstorms in some parts of Mindanao, particularly Caraga and Davao region. And there will be also some thunderstorms over the mountainous areas of northern and central Luzon. Okay, those facing the west. So please take all necessary precautions for possibility of some lightning strikes, hailstorm, if we have a strong thunderstorm developing over northern and central Luzon. Since it's been a while, they've experienced this kind of heavy thunderstorm. It's generally dry, so there will be some impact effects on the ground and the upper atmosphere. Now, let's take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday. So, most of the thunderstorms are concentrated over central, southern, and western Mindanao and some portions of eastern Mindanao, while the rest of the archipelago will remain dry except for some areas of Bicol region, Visayas, Pulilio Island. There might be some rain showers or thunderstorms, and also here across the central and western portions of Luzon. As for the wave forecast for the next 3 days, so by tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday, the wave height over the East Philippine Sea will remain more than 1 meter, not exceeding 1.7 meters. So it is light waves. While the rest of the inland waters of the Philippine Islands and the West Philippine Sea, up to the Spratly Islands, where Clayana Island Group is included, wave heights will be from calm conditions up to almost 1 meter. So it is very safe to have some fishing activities as well as sea travel across various portions of the Philippine archipelago. So there you go. That's the latest for this Monday, and we'll return probably by Thursday to give you more updates on the weather. This is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Good night. Have a great week ahead. Stay safe always. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.